Home Remedies presents how to remove plaque and tartar from your teeth without a dentist. Billions of dollars are spent annually to whiten and bleach teeth with lasers, whitening strips, toothpaste. I too love bright, healthy smile, but prefer to achieve it naturally. Why turmeric? Turmeric contains a component called curcumin. This component has antibiotic, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties which relieve dental ailments such as gingivitis and toothache. Research suggests that coconut oil is beneficial in reducing plaque formation and plaque-induced gingivitis. When coconut oil hits your teeth and gums, microbes are picked up as though they are being drawn to a powerful magnet. Bacteria hiding in the gums and in pores and tubules within the teeth are sucked out. Here's an easy recipe for homemade turmeric toothpaste. If you like a minty toothpaste, be sure to add the peppermint essential oil, which can also help keep your breath fresh. Use it just like regular toothpaste. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon cold pressed organic coconut oil, 10 to 20 drops peppermint essential oil. This is optional. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Here's how to make it. Combine all the ingredients, mix well. Store into an airtight jar or container. Using a toothbrush, allow the mixture to remain on your teeth for 2 to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.